Hey guys, it's Jordan Hetrick, best-selling author of books about how to use GoPro cameras. Lots of exciting GoPro news is happening, so I want to share it with you. For all of you subscribers, go turn on the notifications bell so that I can keep you in the loop first. Today I'm going to share with you, thanks to Roland Quant, the first officially leaked photos of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. So let's dive right in and check it out. As you can see from the photos, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is the exact same body style as the Hero 10 Black and the Hero 9 Black. And I'm very excited about this. This is actually really great news, especially for all of us who have to buy our accessories, because then you can just upgrade your camera and not have to break the bank on upgrading all of your accessories as well. So this is actually a really awesome thing that they kept the same body style. Another benefit also is that third-party companies always take a long time to upgrade their accessories when GoPro comes out with a new body style. So all of the accessories are going to be ready to go for the GoPro Hero 11 Black. I know some of you wanted the touchscreen on the back of the camera to be the full width of the camera, so I know that's going to be a little disappointing for some of you, as well as for me. I thought that would have been nice also, but it doesn't affect the video or photo quality. It's more of an aesthetics thing, which I also thought would have been nice, but that's not going to happen with the Hero 11 Black. As far as the specs go on this camera, nothing has been released yet, so anything that you've heard is just rumors or wishes. As soon as those are released to the public, I'll be sure to send out a video with my analysis and help you guys decide if you want to upgrade your camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on that notifications bell so I can stay in touch and you can be the first to know.